Welcome everyone. The information browser for the ME, MTech, M Pharma, M Arts, MMD admission of Jadavpur University is published. Just yesterday they published this information browser. Okay, so you can take admission in MTech course or ME course at Jadavpur University through GATE score, and as well as non-GATE admission procedure is also there. Okay, who didn't appear in the GATE examination or who didn't clear the GATE examination, for them there is also opportunity. So watch this video carefully. Okay, in this video I will discuss about the semester fees of Jadavpur University and subjects, which subjects are there, and the eligibility criteria. Everything I am going to discuss. Okay, so let's start. The first one is admission category. Basically three categories are there. Category A, that is the through GATE score. Okay, category B, that is for a sponsored candidate, for in service professional. Okay, I mean the candidates who are working in an industry and they have some working experience, so they can apply through sponsored category. Okay, and category C, that is very important for you if you want admission there without GATE score. Category C is the self-sponsored category. Okay, now eligibility criteria. Minimum GPA criteria, that is 6.75 for general candidates, and 6.15 that is for OBC candidate, and for SC ST that is 5.25, 45%. Okay, here is mentioned that 6.75 that is 60%, and 6.15 that is 54% for OBC, and for SC ST that is 5.25. Let's move. This is another important information for you. Self-sponsored. Okay, for the self-sponsored, you can take admission in these courses. You may take the screenshot. That is architecture, IT, food technology, nanoscience and technology, printing engineering, water resource, biomedical. The students from electrical, mechanical, electronics all are eligible for biomedical science, engineering and science, computer technology, VLSI, construction engineering, illumination technology, water resource, environmental biotechnology, multimedia development, etc. courses. These courses are for self-sponsored category, I mean non-GATE category. Okay, here is another important information. Actually this browser is very large, 23 pages are there, so I'm going to highlight just some important information for you. This is another important information. An applicant can opt for a maximum of 8 options, and out of that minimum one option may be from category B. Category B is the sponsored category, so you no need to be worried about that. You can fill 8 options. For programs not offering any specialization, like the program instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation, there is no specialization. The program will be considered as one option, and for the programs offering 2 or more specializations, a specialization will be considered as separate options. Like for electrical engineering there are 5 specializations. Okay, so these will be considered as one specialization, and fees 1000 rupees, non-refundable fees you have to pay for fill the application form. Okay, this is another important information for you. Many students, they were asking that how to take admission without GATE. Okay, this is category C, self-sponsored. Every year Jadavpur University conduct a examination, written as well as interview, for the admission through non-GATE category. So this year due to pandemic they decide not to conduct any exam. So final percentage marks of the qualifying degree examination in scale of 60, and aggregate percentage marks of secondary or equivalent examination in a scale of 40. So 60% marks from your BTech CGPA and 40% marks from your secondary examination. On the basis of marks, they will create a merit list, and through that merit list the admission in the category C will be conducted. Okay, so now discuss about the subjects and qualifying degree. Okay, for mechanical engineering the specialization automobile engineering. Okay, the degree is BE BTech in mechanical engineering or automobile engineering or equivalent. Okay, for chemical also is here. For civil engineering there is structural engineering, the specialization like soil mechanics and environmental engineering. For the first two specializations, be BTech in civil engineering or construction engineering. Okay, this is the eligibility criteria. And for environmental engineering, be BTech in chemical, civil, construction, environmental, food technology and biomedical. All are eligible for environmental engineering specialization under the civil engineering department. Okay, next is computer science and engineering. There is only one specialization, computer science and engineering. BE BTech should be in computer science and engineering. Okay, no other students from no other subject is eligible there. For electrical engineering there is basically three domains. Under electrical engineering there is control system engineering, masters in control system engineering, and ME in electrical engineering, and as well as ME in illumination engineering also is there. For control system engineering, this is under the School of Control System Engineering. The degree courses should be BE or BTech in electrical, electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation, mechanical, all are eligible. Okay, mechanical engineering also eligible for control system engineering under the department of electrical engineering. The main core subjects of electrical engineering are these. Okay, electrical power system, electrical machine, high voltage engineering, control system, electrical measurement and instrumentation. For first three courses your BE BTech degree should be in electrical engineering or power engineering. Okay, for control system and measurement your BE BTech degree should be in electrical, or EC students are also eligible, and instrumentation and power engineering they are also eligible. Okay, next is electronics and telecommunication engineering department. There is also 5 specializations. For microwave and communication you should be from EC department only. Okay, and for computer engineering, control engineering and electron devices your BE BTech degree in electronics and telecommunication and instrumentation they are also eligible. So instrumentations are eligible in lots of specializations under electronics and telecommunication engineering department and under electrical department also, and they also have a separate department for instrumentation. Okay, food technology is here, you can take the screenshot. Illumination engineering I already told you. Okay, BE BTech should be in electrical, electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation here also. EC, EEIN 3 are eligible for illumination. Here is electronics, instrumentation and electronics engineering. Okay, the students from electrical, electronics, instrumentation they are eligible for instrumentation department. Okay, metallurgical is also there. For mechanical engineering, heat power, machine design, applied mechanics, production, fluid mechanics, 5 specializations are also there. Okay, for applied mechanics you may be from civil engineering department, from chemical, mechanical, electrical, production engineering, all are eligible. Okay, for machine designing, the production, power engineering, mechanical, civil, aerospace, all are eligible. Okay, you can see the eligibility criteria from there and you may take the screenshot also. And if you want this information browser, visit the Jadavpur University official website. Just go to the Google and search Jadavpur University, you will get the official website. From there you can download this information browser. Okay, power engineering, here also electrical, instrumentation, mechanical, power engineering they are eligible. And for information technology, okay, for information technology BE BTech degree in any branch or masters in computer application, MCA student and BE BTech in any branch, they are eligible for information technology. Okay, specialization is software engineering. Now take a look at the seat matrix. Okay, for chemical, general 11, SC 4, ST 1, OBC seats 2 and OBC B for 1 seat. Civil engineering, you can also see the seat matrix. Electrical engineering, general seats are 3 seats for each specialization. So total general seat in core electrical engineering department, that is 15. Okay, for ECE, that is also 15 general seats. Illumination engineering, there is 12 general seats. Instrumentation and electronics engineering, 4 general seats are there. Okay, heat power, machine design, applied mechanics. Okay, this is also important for you. The semester fees which is given here, computer science and engineering, that is 2400 per semester. Okay, per semester fees, that is very less compared to the other institutes like IIT, NIT. This is very less. Control system, that is also 2400, and for the self-sponsored student 2400 for many subjects. Okay, so you no need to be worried about the semester fees. If you are taking admission there through the non-GATE category, so your semester fees will also be 2400. Software engineering, that is 18,000. Okay, now the most important thing is that when the application procedure will start, the application portal opens on this is 15/8/2020. From 15th August they are going to start the application portal, and the last date of submission of application form 26th August, and last date of eligibility candidate 10th September. Publication of first round seat list and waiting list 12th September. Okay, that will continue. Second round, 2 rounds are there, and third round also they will publish on 23/9/2020. Okay, so this was the discussion about the Jadavpur University information browser. If you have any query, you may ask in the comment box section, and I am also giving the Jadavpur University official site link in the description box. From there you will get more information about this university, and also you will get information, you can download this information browser from there. And one information that I want to give you, that is Jadavpur University NIRF ranking for engineering is 17. So this is very good than some IITs and NITs also. Okay, thank you.